to officially gas. Let's get it.
So with the £750 Skoda Fabia, aka The Rat, having benefited from my ultra well thought through set of £150 modifications fresh from eBay, I chose to focus on downforce over everything else, fitting a range of functional components to ensure one of the fastest laps around the Nurburgring ever. To help this dream become a reality, I also managed to fit a big turbo kit within budget, and we were nearly ready. However, we found the Rat to be stricken with a major gearbox oil leak. After finding the gearbox to have no oil left in it, we topped her up, and after a dealer-approved repair, we were ready to set sail on our Nurburgring adventure.
So yes guys, as the intro said, today is the day we set sail for the Nurburgring with all the lads. We've got too many cool YouTubers here. But the main man behind us, we have got James, non-car guy. And as you see flashing away in the background, we have got the Rat. Let us spin, bro. What turbo kit do you know that makes 50 PSI of boost when it's not running? The most efficient turbo kit ever on the 1.6 litre bad boy car, James.
You ain't seen it before.
You ain't seen that before. Whilst we're here, let's address a couple of things. Perfect time, someone's alarm goes off. Remember we was talking about this gearbox oil leak that we tried to fix last time and it was pissing out?
Look at this, look at this, look at the lights. I love this car.
He loves it. So we've parked it up overnight and it seems it hasn't dripped too much. You can probably see that. I'm not sure how much of it's actually kind of absorbed into the pavement. We're gonna vlog the day. What we'll probably try and do is obviously hit the Autobahn, see what this bad boy can do and just, yeah, take you with us to the Nurburgring. A lot of people were talking about what modifications we should have done. And shout out to James for this one because I think he did smash it. This car actually come with brand new discs and Mintex pads, so it should do all right on the front. And for those who don't know, we got drums on the rear, so who knows what's going on under there, but they look fairly new. We have got tyres on this bad boy. They're all in good condition. I couldn't tell you what make they are. Wind run. And then on this side, we have got green ladder, who knows? We've got fresh tyres, but they are from the deepest depths of China. We got our blue lights, so we're not gonna be hanging around for traffic lights or anyone else. We're just cutting through today.
Move out of our way.
You know what I mean?
Come through.
What are we telling them? Move. Let's go.
All right, guys, so we're in the Rat on the way to Germany and the Nurburgring. And yeah, I mean, hopefully what we'll be able to do. Can you hear it whistling away? The turbo is mad.
This thing is loud at night.
Pure power. Come on!
Give us.
Come on! $6,500 RPM. Listen to her scream! Listen to her scream! Oh my God!
Overtake it. Let's go.
Come on! They're just cruising next to us. I think we've lost our exhaust whistle!
Oh no. It's gone. It's out of it.
Ah!
It's out of it.
Never fear, never fear.
We got another one.
We got a backup!
Alright, so it's non-car guy James versus checking the oil.
They call it the dipstick. Just gotta find it first.
Go on.
It's usually a long.
Oh, you got it! There you go.
I know how to do this, man. You put it back in.
The turbo.
Push.
Did you put it all the way in?
Yeah.
Is that what she said?
And there should be some sort of a.
Not
What
much.
we got? Oh,
There you
you're
go.
right. We're registering.
Right
Yeah,
there.
you're registering, but you're minimum.
I know how to do this.
Not that. That's a coolant, bro. That's a coolant.
Nah,
I'm joking,
That
it
can't
is.
be a coolant. That can't be a coolant. That's the coolant.
Yeah.
Come on! I know this.
Yeah. When it overflows,
Yeah,
fill till
oh,
spill.
okay,
So
okay.
fill till spill. When it comes out the top, yeah. All right, slow down.
Oh,
I
thought you said to pour it in until it goes up. Lovely.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Boom.
We missed the train.
Fuck off.
Yeah, we've got to wait for the next one.
You're joking.
Too late, she said. The next one's like half an hour.
We've missed the train.
So with our freshly topped up engine oil and a questionable amount of gearbox oil left in the box, having somehow missed our train, we managed to hitch a ride on the next one, taking the Rat international.
Welcome to France, baby. The Rat has made it international. We are in France. All right, guys, so we are officially in France right now, and we are about to start our journey on to Germany. We've got 5 hours and 2 minutes, 295 miles. Shout out to Michael Shoeblacker there, that's his G80.
We're doing that.
I just stick to my paper like a staple. Yellow ball, smoke a team. I do something for free. The streets don't love you. The streets don't love me.
All right, guys, so check it out. We've just stopped here at a services right now. We have got I don't know if it's focusing. We've got 172 miles to go in 3 hours. We're down 2 hours already and over 100 miles, and we're still going strong. We just need to top up a little bit because, as you see, this beast drinks a lot, and that's probably due to the extra downforce on the back, slowing us down and creating all that drag.
You gotta pull it in there nicely, man. Pull it in there nicely.
Are we in France still or Belgium? We're in Belgium. We made it to Belgium. In the Rat, baby. Greetings from Belgium. Now, when I tell you guys that this has been getting more attention than any other car, in fact, all of the cars put together, this car here has been getting all the attention. And can you blame anyone? Why wouldn't you want to look and stare and point and laugh?
If you're gonna blame anyone,
You know you got to pay to go to the toilet, don't ya? 80 cents, mate. It's
For a number 2 or a number 1?
either. It's literally a
I'll say-
mistake.
Sounds powerful.
It is, man.
Woo! Third gear! Third gear! No! No!
He's gone.
Having covered a vast distance and still going strong driving the Rat through many a foreign land, we finally found ourselves in Germany, the home of the Nordschleife, and it was now time to stretch the Rat's legs and put her to the test, potentially attempting the highest speed ever seen from a road car on the notorious Autobahn.
So, no speed limits. Let's try and see what this bad boy can do. I'm saying 110. What are you saying?
100.
100?
100. Yeah.
Yeah?
100.
Right, let's have 5. Come on! Right, that's 80. Come on!
I'm changing it to 120.
We're gonna catch these cars.
That was yours, like 100.
All right, cool. That was 101, but we still had a whole gear left. That was in 4th. Let's go. All right. Whoa, all right,
Oh,
cool.
nice going now.
All right. Let's see what she's got.
100.
Woo! We hit it like.
Yeah.
All right. Come on. Come on. 110. Let's do it. 110. What more she got?
That's it. She's screaming, man.
She's going backwards. It's getting slower. Oh boy. All right, cool. All right, so 110 so far before we caught other cars. To tell the truth, right, we weren't going down the hill. We started to level off and then go back up hill when it started to slow down. It literally hit 110.
It doesn't feel like we're going that fast.
It doesn't feel like we're going that fast. But the thing is
all
also,
the bolts are just coming out.
yeah, and the smells you smell, guys, when you're doing this kind of speed in this car. As I say, it smells like the road has freshly been tarmacked because all you smell is burning. And the gear ratios are so long. You're like in 4th and 3rd forever. 5th has no end. Physically has no end. There's no limit.
All noise, no bark, yeah? No bite.
All fart, no poo. 3rd gear. Let's get 115. All right. 107 in 4th. Let's go!
If we don't get it down, it's still here.
Oh, there's someone going in our
Never
lane.
gonna get it.
Someone's going in our lane.
Go on. It's not gonna get it.
Oh, that's 112. She's got more in her, bro.
I don't think she has.
She's got more in
It is
her.
more downhill.
Yeah, we are going downhill. The hill's like that.
Yeah.
It's like driving down a mountain.
I don't think she's got anything to give.
She's warming up. He's got to warm her up. She gets faster. All right, cool. Oh, there's somebody pulling into our lane.
I think it might go faster in neutral.
Oh, let the Salika. Not even trying.
He's amazing. He's in second gear.
It's gonna have to come off here. Oh. No, we got it. We're back. All right, guys, I just started the camera real quick. It's getting real late just to capture this on camera, but it just either jumped out of 5th gear or done something. We had nothing. A minute ago, it wouldn't give us any gears at all. I don't know what's going on.
Well, we need to test the boys if we're gonna blow.
We might have just lost 5th gear. Maybe it's just blown up. Guys, I don't think there's any gearbox oil in the gearbox. It just jumped. Can you smell that? Can you smell that?
Yeah.
Oh, should pull over, innit?
Text the
Oh man.
text the guys, man. Tell them that we're gonna have to pull over. I don't even know how they're gonna get us.
All right, guys, so as you see, we are outside and yeah, it's a little bit mad. So basically taking you back, what happened is we were just driving in 5th. Obviously, up until that point, yeah, it's a bit questionable, the driving, right? Obviously, I was getting a bit excited, top speed runs and that. And then all of a sudden, when we were cruising, 5th gear just it just revved up for no reason. Then we couldn't get it into any gear and then it fell into 4th and we weren't sure. So basically, unfortunately, we made it to the Nurburgring, baby!
Of course we made it. Come on.
The rat is here. It is so dark. Apologies, it's pretty much in a bush. But yes, as you can see up there, we have made it to the Nurburgring and our hotel. We drove it all the way pretty much in 4th gear. Let me spin it back around. We drove it all the way pretty much in 4th gear. Just tried to put it in 5th gear. Just as we pulled up, it got jammed and stuck again. So I think 5th gear exploded due to a lack of oil. I think all the oil's leaked out.
Oil. Let me speak to my people. Listen, this guy was ragging the out of it. Going dumb on this thing.
Okay.
But the rat held strong.
Except from a lost of gear.
Yeah, the gear went. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary because I was just on my phone. That's my
And the smell of it too.
Yeah.
But look, guys, look, we treated it nastily on the way here. But look,
when did you start speaking French? No, ain't no we in this. This is all you.
But anyway, guys, listen, if you want to find out what happens next, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and we will be back, regardless of what happens, with an update video from the Nürburgring in Germany with what goes down. So hopefully, guys, you can see us for this last bit. But regardless, it's been an epic adventure, and that car kind of held together. So anyway, guys, from me, a non-car guy, James.
Yeah.
Bro, this is the craziest experience I've ever had.
Oh no!